Hi, I'm Jesse Krier from K2 Ranch in Clayton, Wisconsin. Welcome to the Greatmats horse training series. Today we're going to be showing what we're going to do with this filly under a driving technique. We're going to teach her how to ground drive. She's done it a few times and we're going to just go on with it and illustrate what we do to get to this point. So what we're doing here with this filly is we're starting this filly and we're teaching her to move and be guided but not be led, as I'm doing here right now. We're actually going to ask her to move forward and we're going to be behind her. It's ground driving. Ground driving is a great tool. I use it every day. We're asking her to move. She's had it done a couple times now. First time we put this rope on a horse's hind legs, they get pretty uncomfortable with it. I actually have that hind leg roped right now. And we'll work it so she can get it out of there. And then we want it ideally behind each hind leg, and we're moving right behind her. And she has had this done a few times, so it's not as invasive for her today. But she was pretty goosey the first time we did this. So what we can ask for is we can manipulate her face, ask for her to bend, give to the bridle. She's given and we give back. And we're doing this all from behind her, so she's learning to be directed from the rear. And it really simulates what it's going to be like when we get in the saddle and we start directing her from the saddle. Ask her to stop. Whoa. Ask her to drop her head and back. When she backs, I release. Back. Back. She backs with her head down, ideally, and respectful of the bridle and given to the bit, then I release. Good girl. We're doing this nice and slow because we had to move quite slow around this filly to begin with. But as time goes on, we're going to intensify this and show what it's like to have to maneuver and do things at a faster pace, I guess, if you will. Let's trot. I can change direction. Gathering my line. This is just ran through the stirrups. When I first start one out, I actually tie those stirrups together under their belly. With this filly, she's progressed now. I don't have to have them tied under the belly, and now I have that freedom to flop this stirrup a little bit on her side here. Flopping that stirrup gets her desensitized to movement with my legs. So we're simulating that movement of my legs on her sides. Try not to bump her face too hard when we do this, but still getting a little bit of action. Bumping her on the outside there, change direction. Do the other leg, other stirrup, same style. Whoa. Try to be light with our hands. Don't want to be forceful. Our feet are on the ground, so we're not moving with her. We have to be conscious that we're giving when she gives, and maybe having to exaggerate or give a little bit bigger. This is Jesse Krier, and you've been watching the Greatmats horse training series.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.